This slope foundation is key.
Right. Mark the reinforcements here.
Adding steel beams for stability.
Good. And check the rocky anchors.
Anchors are set. This works. Flipping through the hazard reports.
Check the slope diagrams. Apply the official stamp. Stamped and approved. Slope's at 20 degrees. Mark the step here. Got it. Driving this stake now. Perfect. Let's level the next one.
Fit that one tight. Got it. Cutting the next. Good. Keep it even.
All right, let's clear this fast. Got it digging in.
Plants are ready to place.
Perfect. Final touches now.
Looks great. All set.
Starting with the electrical panel, testing the breakers now. Moving on to the ceiling beams, and finally the wood stove.